Good day, everybody. Okay, so we are on our way on the big mission. Where are we going exactly?
We are going to Val Gardena.
Yes, è vero. We're going to Val Gardena, Italy. This is the moment we have been preparing for the last 6 months. We're going to Italy to do one of the hardest mountain bike races in the world. Well, at least according to the guys who are running the race. Maybe there are harder races. Hero Dolomites around the mountain Sella. It's 86 kilometers. That's not so much, but it's 4,500 height meters, so that's a lot. Will we make it? Nobody knows. Okay, so the trip to Italy and all that's kind of a big deal, but we have some other matters to attend to. Before we leave, I have to buy a vacuum cleaner. What are you laughing about? It's important stuff.
Oh yeah.
Look at him
It
laughing.
Really is.
He's laughing.
Really, it's really important. Yeah, maybe he will bring the vacuum cleaner during the race.
Yeah. Hey! That guy in the apartment, he had a new Trek race bike in his apartment.
Race
Super
bike?
nice, yeah, full carbon, electrical gears. And I told him, we're going to Italy for biking. He was like, you I felt great. So the reason for us buying this vacuum cleaner is that we have a Dyson vacuum cleaner, but we're gonna have guests in the house this summer. We're gonna rent it out on Airbnb again, and they might just break our very expensive Dyson vacuum cleaner. So I'm giving them another vacuum cleaner. Enough vacuum cleaning, let's get out of here.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about your Italian knowledge?
My skills of Italian?
Yes?
Yeah, I think I can tell them a bit about my skills in Italian, but I think I also can tell them a bit about you. You've seen Marcus in my videos before.
One time at least.
Yeah. Link up, check out this video right here up in the corner, where you can see when me and Marcus was out mountain biking, was it last summer? Around your house.
Yeah, it must have been.
So Marcus is an immigrant here in Sweden because he's Italian.
Yeah, but I'm legal
Yeah,
immigrant.
you're a legal immigrant. Very unusual.
Yeah.
Just kidding. So he used to be Italian until Italy missed the World Cup in soccer. Don't punch me in the face. But anyway, I learned Italian like a few years back, so capisco un po' l'italiano, sì. But lei parla meglio che me.
Sì, Björn è molto bravo in italiano.
Grazie, grazie mille.
Ha imparato tanto negli ultimi 2 mesi.
2 mesi. Imparato per 3 anni.
Per 3 anni?
Sì.
Allora non ha
Sono un
imparato
idiota,
tanto.
purtroppo. But now we're going to the airport. Let's change the lens here. We're stuck in traffic, so
It looks a bit like Italy.
yeah, it looks like Italy. So Marcus is from Val Gardena, northern Italy. He's not like a real Italian. He's
Passport says Italian.
fuck, we're going left here. We're going to your home village.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Where I was born. I was born in the house I built.
Are you Chuck Norris?
I was born in Italy, and I lived there long time.
Yeah.
Before I moved to Sweden 11 years ago. and I always want to go back to Italy. That's why I like these trips to Italy, and it's very nice that I always find some idiots to join me.
What kind of idiots are you talking about, my friend? Wrong ride.
There you are at Skavsta.
We're here again. I mean, I'm here again. The last time I was here, right over here, you see that tree over there? There my dear friend Stefan, we had his bachelor party. He had a blindfold and music. He would stand there. He stood there and took a pee. He had no idea where he was. That time the trip was all about getting drunk and him getting married in a few months. But this time we're serious athletes. Only one beer at the airport, right?
Yeah.
One beer. Yeah. Okay, except for one beer at the airport, we're very serious athletes. We're going for a ride to Italy. I got you your pills.
This will not be a movie for women. No marriage at the end of the movie.
Unless we get very drunk on Saturday after the race, somebody might get married.
Yeah, it's not
Con
Vegas.
un'italiana. Wow, that is one awesome sunset. It's 24 degrees outside. Check that beauty out. Just picking up a car. We're in Bergamo, Italy. The weather is gonna be so awesome for all of the weekend when we're doing the bike race, so we are very, very happy about that. Okay, I'm gonna take some shots and post on Instagram. Also see if Senor Steiner has found our car. So, you found our car.
I need to show you something.
What?
It says on the paper that we have a car which is parked on the parking space 21.
Okay.
Let's go have a look on that car.
So, they said that our car is parked in number 21. What kind of specimen is this anyway? Is that a Bulgarian stolen car?
We're really happy that it's not this one, but another one.
Jesus. That's sunset, by the way. Wow.
Wow.
That is awesome stuff.
Amazing.
Yes. Why did you ever leave this place?
My wife is amazing.
Yeah, that's right. We have a vacation in Sweden.
There it is.
Okay, so we're driving a Ford.
Check it out.
Lots of space for my jacket.
Looking good.
When you rent a car, pretty much anywhere in the world, before you take it and leave, check everything. Because they screw you when you return it if there is any marks. So, what would you call this?
Oh yeah. This sucks.
We should report that one.
Yeah.
Or they're gonna fuck us. Okay, so we're losing sunlight here in this bumpy parking lot, and just gonna teleport to Val Gardena where it's gonna be dark, and we're gonna meet up with Peter and Carl. Alright, goodbye Bergamo.
Bye guys.
We made it. It was a complete disaster. The autobahn was shut down. It took like an hour extra. It's in the middle of the night now. We can't see anything.
Here we are.
Benvenuti.
Benvenuti.
Sì.